couple of wholesale orders, and then I have a sample order. But y'all see all this beautifulness right here. I don't know if y'all can see this one. But yeah, today I'm gonna be packing up some orders. It is currently 3:08. I have to be out the house. Well, I want to be out the house by 4. It shouldn't take me that long, but who knows. Yeah, I took a little break from YouTube because I don't know, like, I'm honestly ready to move so that I can film all of the content that I have planned, because you know it gets tiring filming the same thing over and over. I do have fun filming the business videos, but I do want to bring my lifestyle content back and stuff. But I feel like right now, since I'm still living in this house, it's not much to film or like that I'm doing right now. So that's why, you know, I've been waiting until I get the apartment. So hopefully, you know, my apartment comes soon so I can get back to like really enjoying filming and just doing different content. Like once I move, of course I'm still gonna be doing the business content because I know I have a lot of subscribers that love that, but I'm also gonna be doing content that I'm interested in. So yeah, I hope that y'all can see what I'm doing. So yeah, this video is just gonna be me packing up orders, probably just wholesale orders and this one sample. But y'all see, your girl has been working, okay? I've been really focused on growing my business and trying to like get more customers and stuff. A lot of these are returning customers, which I'm happy about. I love returning customers. I need a bigger table, okay? But yeah, I'm probably gonna add some music and go ahead and do this because I want to get this done and get to the post office in time, because y'all, this week has been extremely busy. And I don't know if y'all can like hear it in my voice, but I am tired. I am extremely tired, but this is a long weekend. The post office will not be open on Monday because of 4th of July. So I want to go ahead and get these out now so that I don't have to worry about them, and I don't have to worry about anybody emailing me asking like when their order will ship. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this packing video, and thank you so much for watching. And I think all of these are available right now. So we have our black top wand tube wholesale. This is regular wholesale. Then we have Glisten Glam. This is my favorite wholesale to fill because it's so fun and colorful, very, very pretty. Then we have regular white top wand tubes. She actually placed 2 orders, but I'm just gonna send them off together, just so that she can get it all in one. But she got some glitter glosses and nudes. And then we have this 50 black top wand tube regular order. She got all nudes and clear. And then we have unscented no oils for all 4 of these jars, and those are nude glosses. And then we have samples. I have to restock the samples, but everything else is in stock. So if you're ready to start your business or add some new glosses to your business or add glosses to your business, click the link in the description box and check our website out. We have lots of stuff up there. New arrivals, all that good stuff. So check out the site. It is actually a whole new week. I forgot to end this video off, so I'm coming back to end it off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everyone that supports me and watches my videos. Thank you guys so much. Please, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. We're trying to get to 10K. We're gonna reach 10K before this year is over. We have to, like, it's mandatory. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and go to the post office and drop these off so my girlies can have their orders next week, okay? I got stuff to do. We're moving. Hint, hint, we're about to move, so I gotta pack. I'm just letting y'all know. New content is coming because we're moving. Get excited. Get up and dance. Do something, because I'm definitely excited. About to have my own place. So no more videos in this room. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social media handles down below. And make sure you shop. Support your girl. Support the brand. Period.